Amazon-owned home security company Ring has busted into the car market with an easy-to-use dash cam for your car. The camera is powered by a car's battery and provides a frontal view outside a vehicle and the interior cabin perspective as well. Two cameras produce these angles on either side of the Ring's car cam. If the idea of being recorded while driving bothers you, you can flip up a tab linked to the interior camera that blocks the device's audio and video. While the tab is up, Ring's car cam will continue filming ahead outside of a vehicle. Ring CEO Jamie Siminoff spoke to CNET about his company's new dash cam last week at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Siminoff noted that he was initially uninterested in pursuing the idea of a Ring car cam, as he felt his company should be entirely based on home security. But he kept getting customer emails requesting a car dash cam, and it changed his mind. He says the Ring's car cam functions like a standard dash cam, but if someone broke into your car at night, you would receive a motion alert. When an alert is received, you can talk to the intruder, similar to a home Ring camera. And if that intruder destroys your Ring car cam, the device will upload and store its video to the organization's cloud. You can now pre-order a Ring car cam for a limited time for around $200. The cost of the Ring car cam increases to $250 when the product is officially launched sometime next month. So what do you think? Is it worth me buying one and testing it out? Let me know in the comment section below. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.